Why you should say yes to a career in manufacturing.
Don't think a career in manufacturing is your thing? Think again.
The need for skilled people to work on machines and run manufacturing plants is now more important than ever.
Manufacturing jobs pay good money, and you don't necessarily have to go to a 4-year college. Most technical colleges offer 2-year manufacturing degrees that will allow you to begin a rewarding career in the manufacturing industry.
You can earn a degree in CNC machining and toolmaking, robotic automation, machine tool technology, machine repair, engineering, and CAD drawing, to name a few. Did you know that a trained CNC operator doesn't just run one machine? They may run several and may also be responsible for overseeing the daily functions of entire manufacturing cells, including robots.
Just think. You may work on parts that will send the next astronaut to Mars, or make parts that keep a spine in place, or even make pacemaker parts that will ultimately save a life.
It's a job that you can take pride in while helping to make the world a better place.
Plus, there's lots of opportunities for advancement in manufacturing. You're not just limited to working in a machine shop. You could become a service technician, an inside technical service rep, a plant supervisor, a product salesman, or a purchasing agent, and the list goes on. In the world of manufacturing, the possibilities are endless. That's why a career in manufacturing is such a great choice.
Take productivity, for example. As single-source suppliers of manufacturing equipment and services in the Midwest and the Rocky Mountain region, they are always looking for good people to be field or preventive maintenance service engineers, dispatch and technical support specialists, buyers, logistics support, applications or automation engineers, machine or tooling sales or support, and much more.
Plus, they truly value each employee. When you choose a career with productivity, you join an incredible team that believes in keeping employees challenged, engaged, and happy. It's a great place to work.
Whether you work at Productivity or another manufacturing-related business, choosing a manufacturing career will be a rewarding one with plenty of opportunities for growth. So, say yes to a career in manufacturing. Let's make a difference together. What are you waiting for?